To solve the heat equations by Crank-Nicolson methods using the Microsoft Excel, okay, for example, we have the del U del T equal to 4, del 2U del x squared. So the C squared is 4, okay, H, K given in the equation is 0.5, K is 0.01. Then we can calculate the R, which is the K time C squared divided by H squared. Then 2 minus 2R is 2 minus 2 times R. Then 2 plus 2 times R. And the general molecule for the Crank-Nicolson implicit method, we have the targeted top level, the coefficient K for the left top cell is negative R. Okay, this cell center top is a 2 plus 2R, which is 2.32. Okay, the right top is a negative R. Left bottom cell, okay, left bottom cell coefficient is R. Okay, center, okay, bottom cell coefficient is, okay, 2 minus 2R. Okay, and the right bottom cell coefficient, which is R. Okay, and then later on, we draw the grids x from 0 to 2. And then solve, okay, the U from, okay, up to 0.02 with increment 0.01. Given the initial condition U0t equal to t exponent negative t. So here I can put up t time exponent negative t is B14. Okay, right hand side, yeah, this is typo. This is U2t equal to t. So equal to t here. Okay, initial condition x from 0 to 1 is equal to x. Then 1 to 2 is equal to 2 minus x. So you can 2 minus x. So you get back 1 tally. So here. So I fill up. This is the left boundary. Here is the initial condition. This is the right boundary conditions. Now, okay, we want to solve for this cell is U12 because this is Uij. I is U11. Sorry, this is U11 here. Okay. So from the, okay, general molecule, you see in the slide, okay, just now, you got the general molecule, okay, for the Crank-Nicolson implicit, okay, finite difference method, negative R, 2 plus 2R, negative R, okay, the bottom level R, mean the top level equal to the bottom level with the coefficients R, Ui minus 1j, okay, plus 2 minus 2R times Uij plus R times Ui plus 1j, okay. Then so I have to solve this one. Mean now I would like to solve for U11 here. U11. And if we put up to the formula, mean to solve for the U11. Actually, the U11 is equal to R time of, because okay, I put up, okay, the whole equation first. You got actually negative R. Okay, negative R, this cell, okay, is actually 0.0099 plus, this is 2 plus 2R, okay, U11 minus R times U21 equal to, okay, equal, okay, mean the top level, negative R times 0.0099 plus 2 plus 2R times U11 minus R, this is U21, okay, plus R time of, okay, you got R time of, let I label this cell as a oh never mind, or u 0 0 plus 2 minus 2r u1 0 plus r u2 0. Yeah, this cell. This is u0 0. Left bottom is u0 0. Okay, I put up here. In the the left bottom you got u0 0. This is u1 0. This is u2 0. Yeah. Mean your r time of u 1 0 0 1 this cell. Okay. Mean when you target like this. Yeah, target here. So negative r times 0.0099 plus 2 plus 2r. Okay, 2 plus 2r u11 minus r u21. Okay, minus r u21. And then this is r time of this cell is u00. This is 2 minus 2r time of u10 plus r time of u20. Okay, so I'm going to solve now. You want to solve for u11. So u11 recollect. Okay, let denotes this is a left bottom, this is a center bottom, this is a right bottom. Okay, this cell is actually the left top cell. This is actually the right top cell. So it's r time of left bottom plus r right bottom cell plus left top cell plus right top cell plus 2 minus 2r center bottom cell divided by 2 plus 2r. Okay, so I'm going to key in into here. Okay, we have a bracket. R is here, so make sure you key constant it. So R time left top plus right top is E15 plus left bottom plus right bottom plus 2 plus 2r, make it constant, 2 plus 2r multiply center bottom, divided by 2 minus 2r. Okay, and then you can here copy it down, and then provided your var options formula, you enable the iterative calculation, because it's actually this one is actually initially if you solve manually, you should form system of linear equation like this. And then what I key, the formula that I key in actually u11 here. This is we have got as we explained in the previous video, we either have this molecule or here equivalence form. So it's actually the formula I key in just now is here u11 is actually 6.25 is actually r time of your left bottom plus r time of the right bottom minus r bring to the other side is plus r time of left top right top, and then plus this is 2 minus 2r time of center bottom, and then divided by coefficient of the u11, because the pattern is actually repeated. That's why we can copy it in Excel. And then provided you turn on iterative calculation. I think still not correct formula. me see whether I key in correctly. R is C10 time left top C15 E15 C16 E16 plus C12. C12 is actually C12 is wrong. Should be C11. Mean here 2 minus 2R. 2 minus 2R mean the coefficient here 2 minus 2R times center bottom divided by coefficient of 2 plus 2R C12. Okay. So we obtain this one without round anything. If we want to round, okay, you can see quickly we obtain like what we did in manual solution 0.4692. Okay, or I close it. Yes. Okay. So this is using just now is using the initial molecule like this. Okay. In the manual we use some sort like everything we divide by this molecule. Okay, either you use this molecule or the molecule here, you should obtain the same solution. Okay, so if this one, I delete everything. If from the molecule in the implicit Crank-Nicolson implicit method, you divide each term, each molecule by R, we obtain like this. Okay, and then if you want to key in your iterative formula using this molecule, okay, also I can key on top, also doesn't matter. So mean you have left top, right top, left bottom, right bottom is 1 time, so equal to left top plus right top plus left bottom plus right bottom. Okay, and then plus coefficient of the center bottom, make sure constant it, multiply with center bottom here, and then divide by coefficient of here. Missing this one only. Then you copy down the formula, copy it down. Yeah, so you see if I round it, so both it's to the same answer. And then let's say from this example, I move and make a copy. This is the fourth example. It should be the example 4 here. Del u del t equal to del 2u del x2. Let's see. Del u del t equal to del 2u del x2. Now we are going to solve it using implicit Crank-Nicolson implicit method. So maybe I delete. You have the initial condition is exponent x 1 minus x. Okay, and then left boundary, right boundary are 1. So this one, let's say I delete for you. initial condition is exponent x here time 1 minus x. Yeah. So exponent x times 1 minus x. Okay, if you want to round to 4 decimal place. Okay. And then now, okay, using the same technique, here we need to find 2 plus 2r. 2 plus 2 times r here. So 2 minus 2 times r. 2 minus 2r. 2 minus 2 times r. Yeah. So for the Crank-Nicolson implicit method, top here, this is negative r. This one equal negative r. This is 2 plus 2r here. And this is r. This one is 2 minus 2r. Okay, can check back. Two plus 2r, center top coefficient is 2 plus 2r, bottom top is, okay, center bottom is 2 minus 2r. 2 minus 2r. Okay. Then, okay, again, just key in the formula, okay, the cell that you want to solve. Okay, let's say the cell that you want to solve. Okay, sorry. Let's say you want to solve. So U11 is r time r is lowercase r is r time of, okay, because this one, okay, this is equal, so bring to the other side or become positive r, left top plus right top plus left bottom plus right bottom, meaning left top right top left bottom right bottom plus, okay, this is actually 2 minus 2r, so plus 2 minus 2r times center bottom, okay, the whole thing divide by 2 plus 2r, because coefficient of center top that you target U11 is 2 plus 2r. Okay, so just key in the formula, okay, in the cell, okay, U11, or you want to key in top here also can, no problem. So r is here, this one, okay, and r, make sure you click constant time left top right top, okay, is D14 plus left bottom B15 plus right, okay, bottom D15 plus, okay, 2 minus 2r, or you can click here, 2 minus 2r multiply value of center bottom, which is C15, close the bracket, divide by coefficient of 2 plus 2r. Okay, then you just drag down, back down. Okay, or you may round it to 4 decimal place to compare with the manual, okay, solution they obtain using scientific calculator. Okay, let me check. Okay, 1.1409, 156, 2475, 2255, okay, 55, 2255 symmetrics. Okay. Yeah. So you can quickly obtain, okay, the solution of the heat equation by Crank-Nicolson implicit finite difference method. Just key in, okay, targeted cell. Okay, you can either key in any one, U11 is here, or U12. Using the formula is r time of Okay, when you key in here, you see the formula. Okay, R time, this is left top, left bottom, right bottom, plus this is 2 minus 2R times center bottom, close the bracket, divided by 2 plus 2R. Then you copy the formula, okay, down, and provided you go to the options, formula, turn on iterative calculation. Then can quickly, okay, obtains, okay, the solution of the heat equation by implicit method quickly without, okay, like here you have to form, okay, like example 4 here. Okay, if you solve manually, so same thing. The boundary condition are 1. Initial condition is, okay, the exponent x times 1 minus x, and then you have u11, u21, u31, u41, u12, u22, u32, u42. Okay, you have to solve level by level. So level 1, you form, okay, 4 simultaneous linear equation. Then you solve it. Okay, you solve it. Okay, and you get here. And then from, okay, after you obtain, okay, first level, okay, you apply the molecule. Okay, molecule, now you have this molecule compared to just now is actually I just divide it by R. Yeah, and divide by R, because negative, because you got the coefficient of 1 and negative 1. Okay, now maybe we start from beginning. Initially this one, you divide each k coefficient there by R. You have negative 1, 10, negative 1, 1, 6, 1. Hence k here. So to obtain the first equation, you apply the molecule. You apply the molecule from here equal to this, this, this. So you have 1, sorry, this one negative 1 plus 10 times u11 minus u21. Okay, how to get the value 9.3122? You can put it into your calculator. A plus 6B plus C. Yeah. A plus 6B 6 6B plus C. Calculate. So A is a, okay, left bottom, B is center bottom, C is a right bottom. So A is 1, B is 1.1735, C is 1.2712. So you get here 9.3122. And then you repeat, okay, repeat, mean you move, okay, one column to the right, one column to right here. So left side you have negative u11 plus 10 u21 minus u31. Okay, this one, okay, use back, okay, the formula just now. A mean you put it 1A plus 6B plus C. Okay, you calculate again. As now A is 1.1735, B is 1.2712, C is 1.2712. So you obtain 10.0719. Okay. To obtain the third equation, okay, we repeat the process. Mean moving, sorry. Okay. In the third equation, center top will be at u31. You see the first equation, we target the center top U11, so U11. Second equation, center top U21. Third equation, center top U31. Okay, and then fourth equation, center top at U41. Okay, so what we're going to do here, this is a third equation. So this negative U21, 10 U31, negative U41. And how to get here? 10.0719 using back the formula that you key into the calculator, a plus 6b plus c. So you calculate a is 1.2712. Okay, b is 1.2712, c 1.1735. Okay, so you get same thing, 10.0719. So to the fourth equation, so you move the molecule one column to right. Okay, so now we are at here. Yeah. This 3. So you have negative U31 plus 10, U41 plus minus 1 equal to, A time, this is A time here, A plus, 6B plus C, where ABC is a center left bottom, center bottom, and right bottom cell. So you calculate. So A is same. B 1.1735. C 1. So you get 9.3122. Later on, to get the system of linear equation, make sure the last equation, so minus 1 bring to the other side, become 10.3122. First equation also, this one become add up with 1, negative 1 bring to right hand side is 10.3122. So that's why here. So only first and the last equation, you make sure you need to collect with the left boundary. This one you collect minus 1 from left boundary. This is a right boundary condition, and you notice the is always 3 diagonal matrix where the coefficient is actually from the coefficient of matrix A is actually from here, center top coefficient, negative 1, 10, negative 1. Negative 1, 10, negative 1 is 3 diagonal. Then solving this one using your scientific calculator, you can get here a solution here. Later on, you repeat the process. The process using 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equation. First step, this is minus 1, and then 10 U12 minus U22. Then first equation, first equation, this is A, B, C. You obtain this value. Second round, A, B, C here. You obtain here. After you put in your formula in calculator, A plus 6B plus C. Third round, A, B, C. The last round, A, B, C. You obtain all these things. And then collect your boundary to here, Then you can solve for level 2 quickly. Let's see one by one slowly. First equation, A, calculate. A is 1, B is 1.156, C is 1.2475, 9.1835. Negative 1, 10 U12, negative U22, so 9.1835. Second equation, so ABC. So negative U12, 10 U22, negative U32. How to get 9.8885? So ABC is, or move one column to the right side. You calculate. A is 1.156, B is 1.2475, C is also 9.2475. Okay, the third one, the second 9.8885. Okay, or quickly, okay, you see here U12, 10, U22, U32, and then 1, 2. Okay, X is moved to one column to the right. So U12 become U22, U22 become U32, U32 become U42 later on. 32, 42. Okay, and then it's here. When the last equation, negative U32, U42, this is -1. So collect here. Okay, too fast. Then we look at the third one slowly like this. Okay, third round. Okay, and the third equation will be like this. So minus U22 plus 10 U32 minus U42. Okay, how to get 9.8885? A now is here, B is here, C is here. So calculate A 1.2475, B 1.2475, C is 1.156. So also 9.8885. Okay, lastly, the last equation. Okay. The last equation. So minus U32, 10 U42 minus 1 equal to, okay, calculate. A is 1.2475, B 1.156, C 1. You get 9.1835. Okay, and then the first and the last equation, don't forget to take care of the left boundary and the right boundary condition. So that's what you get here. Second and third equation, there's no change. And okay, for first level and second level, okay, the coefficient from metric A are always same, only the vector B change. So, and okay, this is U12, U22, U32, U42. Okay, you see one example. You can key in, mean this one, compare here. -1 add up, so 10.1835. The last one also 10.1835. Okay, and then you can put it to Manu. Simultaneous, 4 unknowns. Okay, key in the coefficient, okay, equation by line by line, equation by equation. 10, -1, 0, 0. Okay, 10.1835. Then -1, 10, -1, 0, 9.8885. Then 0, -1, 10, -1, 9.8885, 0, 0, -1, 10. Okay, check back. 10.1835. Oh, the last one is 10.1835. Okay, the fourth column, 0, 0, -1, 10, 0, -1, 10, -1, 1. The third, let me see. The first column, 10, -1, 0, 0. The second column, -1, 10, -1, 0. The third, 0, -1, 10, -1. The fourth, 0, 0, -1, 10. Okay, one correct, press equal. So X is actually the U12, Y is actually U22, Z is actually also U22, 1.2255. T is actually the U42. So you see, okay, for A, for okay, level 1 and level 2, same, only the vector B change. Okay, to check this one, I think you want to check whether this answer correct. Hold on. Okay, to check the answer for level 1, 10.3122, 10.0719, then 10.0719. Oh yeah, change to the wrong place, sorry. Yeah, 10.3122. Then this is 10.0719. Okay, 10.0719. Enter. This is 10.3122. Okay. Okay, the Z, this one should be 0. Negative 1, 10, negative 1, negative 1. This is 10, 10, negative 1. So first column 10, negative 1, 0, 0. Second column negative 1, 10, negative 1, 0. Third column 0, negative 1, 10, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 10. Okay, vector B 10.3, the first value 10.3122, second 10.0719, 10.0719, 10.3122. So you get X is 1, which is U11 1.150, Y which is U21 1.247, Z is okay U31 1.2475, T is 1 okay U41 1.1560. Okay, so with this okay, thank you. Okay, we have shown okay the manual okay solution using your scientific calculator and using okay using the Microsoft okay Excel, which is much easier. Okay, which is much easier. You just key in, let's say U11 equal to R time, make sure, okay, one bracket, okay, R constant it, and then bracket, click the left top cell plus the right top cell plus left bottom plus right bottom, close the bracket, plus 2 minus 2R, make sure you constant it, time, okay, 2 minus 2R times center bottom cell, okay, close bracket, divided by coefficient of, this is 2 plus 2R. Okay, with this, thank you for your attentions.